I woke up one morning and was getting ready for school, and I thought to myself, what do I want to do with my life? All I could think of was my desire to travel. Luckily, I had a friend in college with a very similar passion. His name is Peter. Remember him. We bought a van. Fortunately, we bought a beautiful van. Unfortunately, we had to tear everything out. Looks awful, doesn't it? We had to start somewhere in order to customize it to our needs, and this wasn't an easy task because it definitely demanded blood, sweat, and tears. First, we realized if we were going to be sleeping in this thing, we want to be comfortable in most temperatures. Luckily, we have 10 windows, making sure the climate in the van is the same as outside. Adorable, right? Sadly, the van isn't nearly as cute. If you notice we ripped out the entire ceiling, that means we have no lights. So guess what we had to make? So before we put the lights up, we decided to slap a coat of black paint on the ceiling. Okay, back to the lights. Time to cut a hole in the roof. Now we have air movement. Hopefully the van won't smell as bad. Remember that part about having 10 windows? Yeah, that's a problem. We gotta insulate these bad boys. Well, that's the best we can do. Time to build a sink. I guess we need a place to sleep, so let's build a bed frame. Who would have thought a nail gun could cause bloodshed?
Oh, it went way the hell in there.
Yeah, we really meant it when we said blood, sweat, and tears. We're gonna be skiing a bunch, so we're gonna need a place for our skis. Now we need a place to put our mattress, and a place to store our belongings. We also drilled holes on the frame for ventilation underneath the bed. So now the storage and the bed are done. Remember that sink from earlier? Yeah, that's also holding our plumbing and our electrical. We also decided to put a finish on it to prevent water damage in the future. Now all that's left is some cleanup along with some other finishing touches. We also took a test run in the van to make sure everything went well. So on my way to Peter's house to get all his stuff in the van. All my stuff's in the van. Everything's good to go. We are officially ready to live in this thing. This has been cool, building it and all that stuff, you know? Saying bye to everyone was really, really hard. Saying bye to my dad and my mom, sister, friends, other important people. You know, it's It's never fun, but I'm looking forward to this, guys. It's gonna be a pretty sick time. We'll have plenty of vlogs coming soon with me and Peter, and we're on the road.